Hey guys, welcome to brosmart Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you the best video editor apps for Android. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to brosmart Tech for more interesting videos just like this one. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. First video editor on this list is PicsArt Video. PicsArt Video is one of the best video editors that I've ever used. It has all the basic options like cut, mosaic, text, add music, and you can also record audio and just add that onto the video. Anyways, jumping into the interface is super easy. You can add videos in between two clips. You will be able to trim the video, split the video, and also increase the video speed. You can also add a ton of transitions in between two clips and make the video stylish. One more cool feature is that the PicsArt video editor also provides you free background music. So to add some extra spice to your video, you can add these music tracks which are available for free, and I think you won't get copyright if you upload these on YouTube. I'm not sure about it, but yeah, you can use these musics on your video. This video editor is not at all laggy or choppy. It is smooth, and yeah, I like it. Next up is PowerDirector. I think everyone knows about PowerDirector because it is a very old and it is one of the best video editors for Android. And yeah, I know a lot of YouTubers edit their own videos on PowerDirector on their mobile phone, and the videos look so good. So yeah, if you are thinking of just starting your YouTube channel but you don't have a computer, you can use this application to edit your videos for free, and the tools you will get like the transitions and the basic video editing tools like split, cut, trim, add text effects and music. Those things are just basic. You will get those things on every video editing application, but what makes PowerDirector special is the timeline. So as you can see on the screen, you will be able to add video and also two layers of music, like one layer of commentary. Suppose you are explaining something in your video and the other layer will be music. So yeah, you can mix your audio and music together on this application with the video, and the end result is just amazing. Other cool features that I found interesting are the text effects. I know it is not good to compare Premiere Pro with PowerDirector, but the text effects or the transition you're getting on PowerDirector is somewhat similar to Premiere Pro. So you can edit your YouTube videos or your Instagram videos, Facebook videos on this application for free and produce high quality videos that looks professional and dope. Video Maker aka Video Guru is another video editing application that you can use to edit your videos for free. In this application, you will get a cool looking timeline in which you will find the video clip that you can trim, cut, split and do whatever you want with the video clip, and also you can add audio to your video. The interface is super easy, so if you're just starting out, if you're just editing your video for the first time, this app is super useful and super easy to use. You will get all the options like text, effect, music, background, stickers, and all these options you will get under the timeline. Because see, in some video editing apps it is very hard to find out certain effects, but in this application you will get all the options under the timeline, which makes it super easy to edit a video for the first time. Now again, as I said earlier, you will get all the basic settings like trim, effect, filters in most of the video editing apps, because see, without these options, video editing apps are not video editing apps. It is, I don't know what it is, but anyways, you will get all these basic options over here on the Video Maker app. And yeah, if you are just starting out, if you don't know how to edit videos, then this application will be very helpful for you. Last but not the least is KineMaster. I know if you're just starting out then it's okay, but KineMaster is the most popular video editing apps for Android. This one is not free, you will get watermark, but trust me guys, if you purchase KineMaster Pro, you will be editing genius. If you don't have Premiere Pro or if you don't have a PC, then don't worry, KineMaster is the best alternative, mobile alternative, like mobile version of the Premiere Pro. Like seriously, if you don't know how to use Premiere Pro, then I think KineMaster is the best option for you, because it has all the tools like crazy text effects, crazy transitions, and all the other options that Premiere Pro offers on PC. So as I said earlier, you will get all the basic things like trim, cut, edit, all these options you will get over here. But the main thing that you will get on KineMaster and what makes KineMaster different from the other applications on this list are the crazy amount of options that it offers, like the green screen, chroma key. If you're an existing KineMaster user, then definitely leave in the comment section what are the crazy features that KineMaster offers and that you use. So let me know in the comment section which app will you use to edit your videos. If this video helped you guys, then drop me a like and also subscribe to brosmart Tech for more videos just like this one. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.